When I first got into woodworking, sanding was the most irritating thing to do. I had this cheap sander that took me hours of sanding to get something done, and it was uncomfortable. My hands hurt by the time I was done with it. I quickly decided I was going to upgrade. Enter the 3M Xtract. This is a 5-inch Random Orbital Sander by 3M. This thing's ergonomics are so much nicer. You just set your hand on top and just let it work. And it does a lot of the work for you. It has great dust collection. I just hook up a hose to my shop vac over here, and it takes out most of the sawdust out of the air. It has a 16-foot cable, so you don't have to be really close to an outlet or get a bunch of extension cords out, because it has long enough cord itself to be able to handle that for you. I've worked on all kinds of projects, making tables, cornhole boards, various other pieces of furniture with this, and I will tell you, it has made sanding a lot more pleasant. I still wouldn't say it's my favorite thing, but it's a lot more pleasant. It has variable speed, so you can speed it up or slow it down depending on the project you're working on. If you're looking for a good sander, I would recommend this one. I've had this one for about 2 years and have really enjoyed it.